What's up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Philip20, and I'm back. Check it out. Well, haven't done a vlog, haven't, walked around showing you anything. I've just been, doing projects after project after project. I got some magnets coming today, and it's raining, so I pretty much used all the power I could out of solar. I can't mine or nothing like that with the solar. You gotta do what you gotta do. I was hoping the wind turbine would help out. See, it's just a slow drizzle rain. The wind's not blowing. I got a couple motors here. We've got this one here. And then we got this one here. This is the one I took the magnets out of before. You can see how nicely it spins, and that is really cool. I'm gonna actually use this motor because it don't have any cogging anymore, because it's basically a shaft on bearings with a weight. So it's just a shaft on bearings with weight, and it's balanced. But this one is a bigger motor. It's 3/4 horsepower, coils, bigger magnets. No, it's not bigger, it's longer coils, longer magnets. In a sense, you get more coil winding, more copper in the winding, more out of it. For instance, this is the same core as you got here. This is the same one as you got, and this one's about 48 millimeters. But this one's actually 60. And the magnets I was ordered, I was hoping it would fit on this one, but I actually found this one just the other day. It's a 3/4 horsepower motor, and the magnets are going to fit great on this one. So I'm going to take before and after shot of how much power I'm outputting with this one. But it'll be later on today. I won't be able to get that video out to you until tomorrow. Tomorrow you get to see some before shots and after shots of the magnets. Hopefully I can get the magnets on there well. I'm going to use epoxy to put it together, and hopefully it works good. I mean, if it does, then this is something that everybody's going to be wanting to do, because we can get these motors a dime a dozen, but the magnets are harder to get hold of that fit, and the magnets I got actually fit this one. I was probably going to have to shave the magnets down to use on this core, but what I'm going to do with this one is balance the wind turbine blades when I get the motor functioning the way I want it. So if I can get the motor to output a high enough voltage to spin from the air blowing on it, then I will have a better amount of performance instead of using the transformer, because that transformer, the 3-phase transformer, is basically not going to output a lot of power. Not going to output a whole lot of power, and it makes it a whole lot harder to generate extra power. I mean, it spins easier with the transformer on there because it has less of a load, because the transformer is a 75 VA transformer. And if you don't know what that means, they can do about 50 watts-ish at the max each. So that'll be about 150 watts that the wind turbine will be limited to. But if we redo the magnets and would increase the voltage, and this thing outputs, 60 volts if I'm lucky, or more. More is fine too. If it puts out like 60 to 80 volts with, normal conditions of wind, then that'd be great. But I just hope it don't have a whole lot of cogging. You see, we got cogging here, but it's not a lot. So if we flip it over, you can see the amount of cogging we have as well with the weight on it. But by having this here, we'll be able to balance our wind turbine really well. Like before, I balanced it on a motor that had cogging, so it would, stop. But this one, it's going to spin until the weight is at the bottom. The heaviest part is going to be at the bottom. And I'll sand it down until it's really, really, really balanced. And that way it spins a lot faster. So you can see it barely spins it. I mean, it really spins easily. It's sitting on 2 bearings. Well, I don't want to make this too long of a video. And I appreciate you stopping by and watching other people do some cool stuff. Huh. Who knew my wife's over there just going at it?
What? Just do your video.
Okay, I'll leave her alone. We'll see you later. This is Solar Power, Electricity, and Electronics. Peace out. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. There's lots more content coming. Click the subscribe button below. Make sure you come back for more because there's great content always coming up every day in this channel. See you next time. Peace.